What's up, everybody? It's Real Estate Nate coming to you with another video. So guys, I'm right now in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I'm eating a little ice cream that I got at a little shop. But the reason I'm coming to you with a video today is because I wanted to show you a tour of my office. I just got a brand new office, and even though I'm a virtual wholesaler and I can wholesale anywhere in the world, even doing deals while I'm still here in Mexico, I want to show you what my office looks like so you guys can see where I do business in Utah. Right now I'm working here, but tune in for the video because you're going to see where I work in Utah. Check it out. Yo, what's going on YouTube? So we're in the new office, and as you can see, my guys, they're working, they're chugging along. We got Dispo, Junior Dispo, we got acquisitions. We have some virtual people working in leads management that aren't here, but this is the office that we upgraded to. I got my own private office, and Corey's my business partner that runs the, runs kind of the operations of the business, works over there. So I kind of want to show you guys what it looks like. It's pretty basic office, but it's kind of cool to have our own spot. And I'll kind of tell you further why we decided to get an office instead of just working at home virtually. As you can see, we got our boy Jared Norton over here. What are you doing?
I'm doing a virtual walkthrough right now.
Virtual walkthrough. He's literally, we do virtual wholesaling. My man is virtually doing something over there. So let's get it. Yo everybody, so the reason why we got an office in the first place is because when we used to work all virtually during the pandemic for the last 2 years, and it wasn't that we weren't doing our work and we weren't doing well, but it's just the energy, the motivation was kind of hard to find at home after working at home for so long. So what we decided to do is get an office, and we just upgraded this one. We were in a smaller office before, but the company's been growing, we've been doing well, so we upgraded it a bigger office. And as you can see, like the energy, it's just the synergy, it's growing, and there's just more motion going on, and it's fun to be in a group and know that you're working towards a common goal. So that's the main reason why we got an office, and it's been a game changer for us. Before I let you guys go, I wanted to show you my desk setup, to show you how I try to stay productive, and it's worked for me. Now, this isn't like the best setup. I'm sure there's better setups, but this is something that works for me. So to show you what I have on my desk, first thing I do when I come into work is I write in my journal. I journal. I love journaling. I've kept a journal for like the last 3-4 years, and I write down what I'm grateful for, what I did the previous day, and what I'm going to achieve. What goals I'm going to achieve. Like Sean Terry, shout out to Sean Terry, he teaches that. I also keep a daily planner, so I can have a good idea at the beginning of the day what I'm trying to accomplish. I write this down every day. I have a picture of my beautiful wife to keep me motivated, keep me remembering why I work so hard. You gotta have a water bottle. It's a big one. I don't like to leave my desk a lot, so I got a big water bottle so I don't have to leave. I gotta stay hydrated. I don't want to get dehydrated on the job. I got the essential oils, the mist coming, because it relaxes me. When I'm talking to sellers on the phone, sometimes I get a little heated, maybe I might get a little frustrated, but the oils, they keep me going, they keep me relaxed. I got the Shure mic, that helps me be, when I'm talking, it's crystal clear, the webcam, and the thing that I want to, stress the most for you guys, if you have an office or if you work at home, wherever, dual monitor. You got to have a dual monitor because that improves productivity. I think I heard by like 50%. It's a game changer. If you're just working on one screen and having to toggle and go back and forth between tabs, it's going to take away a lot of your productivity. I got dual screens, and it's huge. It's a game changer. So if you don't have one and you're going to take one thing from this video, get a dual monitor, okay? So this is my setup. Again, I think it's great, and there are probably better setups, but helps me stay focused. And oh yeah, one last thing I want to say is I try to read a book a month. I'm struggling to do that, but now I've been keeping this book on my desk at least 10 pages a day to remind me. So guys, I wanted to show you what our office looks like, what our journey's at. I'm not doing these things to brag, because obviously there's a lot better setups, a lot better offices than what I got, but I'm just documenting my journey and showing you guys that having an office does help productivity. It does help increase the synergy, the energy, and the culture of the company. So if you don't have an office, go get one. It does help increase, it does help the business grow. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please, again, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and help me grow this channel so I can keep coming up with videos like this.